You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 84, creating report for average time resolution of incident. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. I am logged in using my primary account. We'll click on this 4 block that we have next to home. Top left corner, click over here. Go to Jira Service Management. And then we'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. Under NetSoft IT Service Management, scroll down and look for Reports. Click on Reports. On Reports, click on New Report. We will name it as Average Time, Resolve Average Time. Okay, click on Resolve Average Time. And then we are going to click on Add Series. We'll look for, under Series, we'll look for Time to Resolve and we'll select Average. We'll give the name as Average Time Resolution for Incident. Okay. We'll select this first color and then make sure that basic is selected, and then we are going to click on Add. We have a average time resolution for incident. Now let's click on Create. It's created. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.